What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to send money on the Lulu app. The first thing you need to do is to open your bank app, then select Send to Bank Account. This will be found on the main screen as an option. Then next, select the country where your recipient's bank account is located. Then choose an existing recipient from your list or add a new recipient by entering their details. Next, you'll need to type in the amount of money you want to send. Then review the transaction details and tap Send Now if everything is correct. Then you'll need to choose the delivery method. Select how you want to send the money to your recipient's bank, such as online transfer. Then next, select the preferred bank and enter your bank account details, such as savings account. Then review your sending details. After setting up your payment and delivery methods, double check that all the sending details are correct. The next, you'll need to provide a reason and source of funds. Follow the input areas to choose the reason for sending money and specify the source of the funds. Then, agree to the terms and the policy and then tap Pay. Enter your Lulu Money PIN and tap Continue. Verify your phone number by entering the one-time password which you'll be receiving. This is an important security feature, so make sure you have your registered number with you. Then review the amount one last time and then tap Confirm Payment. You might need to enter your bank's OTP for added security. After confirming, your money is on its way to the recipient. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to send money on Lulu app.